Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid, tatalakayin ko dito ang pangdaraya ng mga translations of the Christian Bible basing upon the oldest translation or oldest original manuscript. Ha? Bakit? Itong well-known nila na verse palaging ginagamit ng mga Christian, itong Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. Nasabi dito, babasahin ko nito, commonly used by the Christian. This is according to the New International Version, New Living Translation, English Standard Version, the New King James Version, the King James Bible, etc. Ayon dito, sa Isaiah 9 verse 6. For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Tandaan ninyo yan. Yan ang mga modern translation. But the translation of the Septuagint version of the Bible, itong Septuagint version, based upon the original language, translated into Greek as Septuagint, common Greek dialect, and called Hellenistic period, between 3rd and 2nd century edition. This is BCE, before Christ era. Okay? Translated it from original to the Septuagint. Septuagint version is a Greek language. Okay? Anong sinasabi dito sa itong Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6? Tingnan natin kung ano ang nasulat. For a child is born to us, a son is given to us, whose government is upon his shoulder, and his name is called the Messenger. His name called the Messenger of the Great Council. Messenger of the Great Council. For I will bring peace upon the princes and health to him. Now the question is, saan na yung translation na the Everlasting Father, itong Wonderful Counselor, the Mighty God, the Prince of Peace? Saan na yung translation na yan? Ay hindi pala yan mabasa, in the original, into Septuagint, between 3 BCE to 2nd BCE, before the birth of Jesus Christ. Wala itong the Prince of Peace, walang Everlasting Father, walang Mighty God, walang Wonderful Counselor. Ang Septuagint translation, uulitin ko pagbasa mga kapatid. Okay? Dito. A child is born to us, and a son is given to us, whose government is upon his shoulder, and his name is called the Messenger of the Great Council. The Messenger of the Great Council. For I will bring peace upon the princes and health to him. Saan ang the Mighty God? Saan ang the Counselor? Saan ang the Everlasting Father? Saan? Ito pagpapatunay lamang mga kapatid, nga itong mga Christian, the distorted, the altered, the bended, pinatiko nila ang translation. So mga kapatid, kayo nang bahala. Kung gusto niyo maniniwala nga sa totoo ba itong sinabi ko, hindi, hanapin niyo sa AI, punta kayo sa artificial intelligence, magtanong kayo sa Septuagint version translation sa AI, sa chapter 9 verse 6, at saka sa Google ni Mr. Google, ihanap niyo ang Septuagint version nga translated into the year 3 BC to 2nd BCE. From Hebrew language to Septuagint version, which is in Greek, co-in-Greek, during the Hellenistic period. So maraming salamat mga kapatid. So sana madagdagan ang ating kaalaman sa aking mga panatikong mga kaibigan ng mga Kristiyano katunggali. So mag-isip-isip kayo sa Biblia ninyo ngayon. Palagi niyong ginagamit, yun pala ay bugos pa lang ang mga translation. Maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.